Learn English Guru presents Present Continuous Tense, Module 3, Lesson 21. As we learned in Lesson 17, we use the present simple to talk about habits, routines, repeated action, and present states. Expressions of frequency like sometimes, always, never are common in these sentences. A lot of the actions already happen. Some might be describing routines now. He wakes up early every day. Or what will happen tomorrow. He wakes up every day. It's a routine. But if I ask, what are we doing? I want to know what action is going on at the time of my question. We use the present continuous to talk about situations that are going on at the time of speaking, or that are temporary or current trends. We use present continuous with always to show annoyance. Listen to this scientist talk about the current state of the Earth.
The Earth is warming at an alarming rate. This means it is drying the soil in some areas. Meanwhile, it is flooding from ice melt in other areas. This is always affecting wildlife. Wildlife has no control of this human-caused destruction.
The present continuous, also known as present progressive tense, is a way to talk about any action or condition that is happening right now. Frequently, it may be ongoing. It adds energy and action to writing, and its effect helps readers understand when the action is happening. Climate change is happening now. We are seeing its effects in floods and droughts. Present continuous is also used for definite future arrangements. And they use a future time word. In this case, we have already made a plan and we're pretty sure that the event will happen in the future. Scientists are predicting a 2% increase in average temperatures by 2050. This is alarming because of its effect on food production and human migration. To form the present continuous in its affirmative form, follow this formula. Subject plus the be verb am, is, or are, plus the base verb plus ing. Let's see a few examples. Can you spot the formula? She is researching ways to grow food in dry conditions. Subject plus be verb plus base verb plus ing. They are producing compost to help soil hold water. Subject plus be verb plus base verb plus ing. We are buying reusable or fixable products for a sustainable economy. Subject plus be verb plus base verb plus ing. He is installing solar panels on his roof. To form the present continuous in its negative form, follow this formula. The subject comes first, then the be verb plus not plus the base verb plus ing. Let's see a few examples. Can you spot the formula? The oil companies are not stopping their drills or production. So it's up to us. not helping if we buy plastics or synthetic products made from oil. To form the present continuous in its interrogative or question form, follow this formula. The be verb comes first, then the subject, plus the base verb, plus ing. Let's see a couple of examples. Can you spot the formula? Are you buying higher quality products that last a long time? Are we demanding that companies sell us sustainable products? Now it's your turn. Choose the correct alternative to form the present continuous. Did you use the present continuous with ing? What are you doing right now? The first one is A. The second one is A. Why is the cat jumping on the table? The third one is C. The students, with an S, are talking loudly in the classroom. We use are because students is plural. Stative verbs describe states, not actions. They are not usually used in present continuous form. Drew works as a YouTube influencer. He thinks his job helps the environment. He has a large following of subscribers. He is great at research and fact-finding about climate change. Dynamic verbs describe action. They are the action verbs. They can be found in the simple or the continuous forms. Drew is working on the computer right now. He works from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. He's thinking, or he is thinking about a collaborative project. He always thinks about possible solutions to climate change. He's having, or he is having, a cup of coffee. He usually has or eats breakfast in the office. He usually stays at home and works online, but he's staying with some friends that want to help him with the project. Notice that continuous tense allows you to use the short form he's for he is. Some verbs can be both stative, states of being, or dynamic action, depending on the meaning. Compare these sentences. Drew works as a computer programmer. That's his routine job. Drew is working on the computer right now. He's performing an action now. He thinks his job helps the environment. It's his opinion. I agree. He's thinking about a collaborative project. He is using his brain to explore options. He has a large following of subscribers, people that clicked on his subscribe button. You can click on our subscribe button too. He's having a cup of coffee. He is drinking coffee right now, an action. It's important to work on tenses in written form so you can get better at speaking English. Look for a free present continuous and present simple worksheet link in the description box below. Thank you for visiting the Learn English classroom. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel so more people can view our videos. Scan the QR code to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or click on the subscribe link if you're already on YouTube so you don't miss the next lesson.